Hi guys, hope you are. Dave Osman here from the UK, davidosman.com. I'm here to review Superstar Cash Rain by Philip Johansson from Denmark. He's been in his basement to discover this 200 a day method in 12 minutes or less for a year. He's dedicated a year of his life in his family basement, and it's his most closely guarded secret, and they're all revealed inside. They've never been seen before. Methods, no need to record yourself. You don't even need to have don't need to have proper English skills. You simply copy and paste method. It's a no-brainer. We'll get inside the members area and we'll talk more about it in a minute, but first of all, so that's basically what it is in a nutshell. But first of all, I want to go through my bonuses with you, and my bonuses are going to associate with the product. The products are all about, I don't want to give too much away, but they're about making methods of making money with YouTube videos. And to be honest, I've never seen them myself, and I've been in the industry a long time. So, well worth watching, and we'll have a look at the members area in a minute. But my bonuses are associated with YouTube, hopefully, and you'll get a lot of joy and pleasure from my bonuses, which are worth quite a lot of money anyway. So, if you want to pick up a copy of Superstar Cash Rain, if you're watching on YouTube, then there's a link below the video. If you're in here with me, then obviously click on these, click it to secure your copy and your bonuses, and your bonuses are well worth it. My first bonus is how to explode your YouTube channel. Second bonus is a hack how to advertise using Google AdWords. Third bonus, and the value of them is incredible, how to build a large list, and list building is massive. Probably the mistake I made earlier on in my career was not carrying on with building lists, otherwise my list would be hundreds of thousands large. And the last bonus is other ways to monetize your videos on YouTube, and also you'll get plus all the vendors bonuses, which can be found within your Superstar Cash Rain payments method site, and I've looked at his bonuses, Philip's bonuses, and they are brilliant bonuses. So let's have a quick run through. I've just made some notes on how to explode your YouTube channel. Inside you'll find out how to get as much traffic as possible to your YouTube channel, how to set up your videos to make as much money as possible, how to pick the right videos to gain a bigger audience. You also learn a strategy that will generate $300 to $400 per month with hardly any traffic, how to drop links inside your videos, and much more. In bonus number 2, how to advertise using Google AdWords, and this is a superb course. I've been through this with a fine-tooth comb, and there's so much value in it. Inside you learn a hack that will allow you to free $100 spend on your ads, and that works brilliantly. How to set up your Google AdWords account, how to do keyword research using the Google Keyword Planner. I've been using that a lot lately, and it is superb. How to set up an AdWord campaign from start to finish, and how to set up remarketing campaign to get the lowest clicks. Now, remarketing is crucial to get money for your bucks within AdWords. You get really low click-through rates. Brilliant. And the next one is how to build a list on steroids. You know, from one of the top affiliate marketers in the world, and he is one of the top ones. The wrongs and the right ways of building a sustainable list, and it's a list on steroids. Learn about how email marketing is the right way to go, and many other tips and tricks. You'll enjoy that one. And then the final one of my bonuses, A to Z of YouTube. Inside you'll be finding products to promote, things like how to record your screen, effortless list building with videos, other ways to monetize your videos, and how to rank your videos fast, which is crucial in today's world where you're competing against so many other people. So that's, hopefully you saw that. That is my bonuses. And they are, like I said, you won't find them anywhere else, and the value of them is incredible, along with Superstar Cash Rain and his bonuses. So let's get in there and have a look at Superstar Cash Rain. Now, you must pay attention to this bit at the top of the page. This bonus page comes down at 12 o'clock EST, which is Eastern Standard Time, on Friday, May the 22nd. So you must pick up your bonuses before then. Anyway, after that, this bonus will be taken down. So you basically, you've got 3 days, or it depends on when you're looking at this. The countdown timer will let you know when this is, when it's coming up. And there it is here. Superstar Cash Rain. I dedicated 1 year of my life in a basement to discover this $200 a day in 12 minutes or less, and now I'm passing on to you. This is Phillips. There's a countdown clock, and it will show a different time whenever you're viewing this this review. And don't forget to click here to secure your copy and your bonuses if you're watching it on this bonus offer page, or if you're watching it on YouTube, the link will be down below, so click on that quickly and grab your bonuses. Now I know Superstar Cash Rain is affordable to everybody because it's less than 2 cups of coffee a week. I know what he's charging you, and I will reveal that in a minute. And the value that I told him he's crazy charging that least amount of money. He should be treble, quadruple that amount of money. So what is Superstar Cash Rain all about? In a nutshell, today I'm going to share the closely guarded secret with you. The thing that shocked me the most when I found this method is just, these are in Philip's words, not mine, is just how easy it is for me to make $200 a day. Now, who couldn't do without $200 a day in this climate? I know we all could. Times that over a month, and you're talking a lot of money. What are we, $6,000? But most of the courses and methods you buy from the gurus leave a lot of secrets out there, and they do. I know that from past experience. They do. They tease you in to buy the product, and then just when you think you're getting there, they don't reveal the final bit. And I know Philip does in this because I've gone through the members course myself. And what I'm going to show you has never been seen before. And I'm testament to that. I've never seen it before. And why is that? It's because it's insanely sneaky. I love that word, sneaky. I wish I found this method earlier because it can get you big results. So what are we paying for Superstar Cash Rain? And it is literally a steal, $12.95 for the front end offer. It is absolutely crazy amount of money to charge you. It should be, I don't know, it should almost be 3 figures. If you're earning $200 a day from this, $12.95 is an absolute steal, or you'd be arrested for this. And it is step-by-step training course that reveals how you can steal, there you go, that word, a viral YouTube video, and make it your own without any copyright issues, and enjoy the passive cash rain income that comes pouring in from pure ad revenue from billions of daily viewers on YouTube. And it is a steal. You will get arrested. Everything is covered in the training. No stone is left unturned. I can vouch for that. I've been through the training. We'll go in the members area, from picking your right niche, your channel setup, picking the right videos, uploading, writing the best title, description and tags. This is the things you will learn inside. Also, how to create a thumbnail for free. Thumbnails are crucial. That's the thing that makes you stand out from the crowd on a page. People get attracted to really nice thumbnails and not just a screenshot of part of the video. And you can do this all in less than 12. Who's got 12 minutes to spare in their day? In fact, most people have got all day to spare at the moment, unfortunately, with the way it is with the virus. Upgrade number 1, there's always upgrades with these things, and rightly so, because you can learn a lot from these upgrades. And it is a $37 upgrade. It's called Superstar Pro, and it's basically Superstar Cash Rain on steroids. He will show you exactly how you can not only scale this 5 times, but 10 times, or even 20 times with no effort at all. With this upgrade, you can enjoy 20 times more passive income with little to zero work. Who wants more income with little or less work than what you're doing for just 1 times income? We all want that. Upgrade number 2, license rights to steal, again that word, I love that word, Superstar Cash Rain, and it sells and sell it as your own. This product has taken months, and we know it has, over a year to develop in Philip's basement of his Danish home, and thousands of dollars have been spent creating all the sales materials, and I can vouch again, it is superb. It is really well put together. Tens of hours spent to create all the videos. Buyers from this upgrade can enjoy 100% commissions. Who wants 100% commissions? Yes please, sir. Again, another steal. I love it. On this awesome high converting funnel, how to sell Superstar Cash Rain as your own. Simple. Insert the link under any of your new viral videos and it's yours. You could be seen by millions and enjoy 100% commissions on the entire funnel, and it is well put together. Upgrade number 3 done for you. I will make 3 done for you videos. Wow, that's incredible. And the worth of that, value of that is $1,997. You can pick up the niche. You can pick the niche. Pick your own niche and I will go to work for you. I'll even write the headline, description and tags. That's also, some of the times it's the most difficult, the headline, writing the description and the tags. And that makes a difference of whether your YouTube video will get ranked. And this, again, this will help you to get the best possible start for your new passive cash rain. And then the big upgrade, the 197 mastermind coaching. He'll give you one-on-one via live call, and the guy's really cool. He is cool. He's a lovely guy. 1 hour of additional training to answer questions and check progress. Get access to brand new methods to increase income. Enjoy the one-on-one support you'll need to ensure success yourself. I know what he's talking about there, because I know he's experienced in his past few months. He's had mentoring from a 7-figure earner, and he's gained one-on-one coaching, so he knows how valuable that is, and that's why he's charging that. I suggest you go through them and decide which one suits you. But at $12.95, again, that word, it's a steal. You love this method because it's not affiliate marketing. It's not some stock market hack. It's not some sleazy push button make money in 2 seconds scam. It's not you've never seen before. It's something you've never seen before. No need to create your own product. You don't need to run any ads. You don't have to write a bunch of content. You don't need to have a proper English skills. You don't need to record yourself. You don't have to do much of anything. I'll have it. I'm sold. Anyway, let's get over to the members area, and again at the bottom, look, who could ask for more? All of this is covered by a no questions asked 30-day money back guarantee. It's a steal. Anyway, let's get into the members area. So it's lovely laid out, lots of modules in there, and the first video is just Philip talking about himself. Even goes on about registering for a free webinar, and I suggest you do that because I know what the webinar is about and it is value. And then he goes through and he tells you how Superstar Cash Rain, how to set up, and he talks about mindset. Now this is not something that's talked about often enough, and to be fair, I've not really done a lot of mindset training. I do believe in things like The Secret, but he goes through having the right mindset, and he's dead right when he says it. If you've got the right mindset, you can achieve anything. And then there's the main training area. If I just click on that, you'll see how many modules have we got in here, and it's all about overview of the Superstar Cash Rain, picking your niche, your channel setup, picking your videos, merging your videos, upload, title, description and tags. Title, description and tags 10 times the speed. How to create thumbnails for free. How to do it all in less than 12 minutes. Let me scroll down. Hold on. There's more. And then he'll wrap up in the next step, ranking. And it's ranking like a superstar. Another a couple of videos there, and then he's all about scaling up, and then this is where the money's being made. The resources section is superb. He's got fantastic resources that he talks you through, and I know because I've got nearly all of these. So there's his upsells, and there's his bonuses. His bonuses are superb bonuses, but you can only access the bonuses if you are on the members area, and I know how much these are worth. These are worth a fortune. So if you want to find out more and what it's all about, and spend your $12.95 and stop having your 2 cups of coffee this week, then obviously if you're watching this on this bonus offer page, click these links on this page, or click on the links below the video, and I'll see you on the inside. But thank you once again for listening to me, and it's a steal. See you later. Bye.